everyone, All Natural Dips here with a brand new video to show you how to make a dip. You're going to need quite a few ingredients: some mayonnaise, some sour cream, one of our delicious dip mixes, and a spoon or spatula. For your sour cream, you're going to want to grab 1 cup of sour cream. We use Daisy to make it thicker or Breakstones to make it thinner. And then you're going to want to have 1 cup of mayonnaise. We use Hellmann's mayonnaise at all of our events, so we recommend you use Hellmann's as well. For today's video, we're using lobster bisque. You can find it online at www.allnaturaldips.com. Start out with your bowl of sour cream and open up your dip. You can just cut it right on the package and pour it right on in. Then you're going to want to go ahead and mix. Now, you don't have to do this, but I prefer doing it this method where I mix it as soon as I pour it into the sour cream. But you don't have to mix it completely up because you're going to mix again in the next step. Next, you're going to want to add your mayonnaise. Don't forget, we used Hellmann's here so that you can make it taste like the show. If you've never tasted it with Hellmann's, well, all mayonnaise tastes different. So since we use Hellmann's at the show, we encourage you to use Hellmann's at home. You're going to want to keep mixing the mayonnaise, sour cream, and dip mix until it makes a nice combination. If you notice, I have a little bit on the sides here because I have a clear bowl, so I'm just kind of scraping the sides along it and then continuing to mix so I've got all that dip mixture mixed in all together. It's just going to be kind of a mayonnaise and sour cream mixture with some seasoning in it. Once you've gotten it nice and mixed, go ahead and straighten out the top. That way you can put a lid on it, because next you're going to want to store it in the fridge. I always say the hardest part of making a dip is keeping it in the fridge for at least an hour, or if you can let it sit overnight, it's even better. Look, we've got a dip ready to go. Go ahead and dip in chips, crackers, veggies, pretzels, tortilla chips, even bread. It goes great with these dips. Whatever you happen to have around the house will be perfect for your dip. The dip you just made will stay good until the date on the sour cream, as long as you keep it in your fridge. Thanks for watching. You can find us online anytime at www.allnaturaldips.com.